How to cancel orders on Temu. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get in. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is head over to You at the bottom of the screen. In this page, you can see the option where it says Your Orders. Click on it, and then you will be landing on this page. So in this page, you will be able to see all the list of the orders that you have made on Temu. If the order has not been packed or shipped, then only you will be able to cancel the order. But if it has already gone for the processing, then you won't be able to cancel it. So make sure you cancel it before that. In this page, simply click on the items that you want to cancel. Once you click on it, at the bottom of the screen, the option of cancel will be visible to you. Tap on it, and then tap on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the order will be cancelled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel order on Temu. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.